friends, it's Nancy from nancyferbshares.com. The question I get asked the most year after year is, which way do I fold my cardstock after I've scored it? I'm going to show you very briefly a quick little demonstration of how to correctly fold your cardstock for a more professional look. This is a paper trimmer. This is a half a sheet of 8.5 by 11 cardstock. I'm going to slip this in to score it at 4¼ inches. Now there's two blades. This one cuts and this one scores. And you're going to rub it firmly over your paper like that to score it. That's putting a dent in the paper but not cutting it. If you, by chance, don't have a scoring blade, you can use a stylus, which is a little ball tip, and you can run it right down the track. There's a track there that your tip will sit in so that it's a straight line. Or you can take a bone folder and score like that. You want it straight and you want it perpendicular to the top of the card. So you're going to remove this. And I hope you can see there's a little ditch in the paper right there. Just a little ditch. Well, we're going to flip it over so that we see the hill in the paper. It's just a little ridge, and that's going to go inside the fold like this. Now, scoring breaks the fibers and makes the paper fold easier. So the hill goes on the inside. Take a bone folder, or you can use your fingernail, but your finger will get sore. So I recommend a bone folder, and go over the fold, pressing very firmly. And then you will have a card that is nice and flat. When you open it on the inside, you should see a little ridge that's very consistent all the way. If you fold it without scoring, you will get a little ripply effect down the center, and that doesn't look as professional as this nice little clean, consistent ridge. So that's the correct way to fold your card. Very simple. Take a minute to score and fold. It just adds that professional touch to your cards. Thanks for stopping by. Visit me at nancyferbshares.com. Have a wonderful day.